Hello everyone, it's been a while, but I'm finally back. I'm free from school. I have like 4 months of vacation, so I have like a lot of time and nothing to do. But anyway, let's get to it. This time I decided to show you how I decorated my ITA bag, which is basically just a bag that is covered in anime pins, keychains, and stuff like that. I made my multi-fandom because I just couldn't choose one simple anime like many of them do, which looks pretty cute and awesome. But I decided to give mine like a original, let's say, twist and put a bunch of different animes in there. Honestly, this took me like, let's say, 2 hours. And then, yeah, it was kind of painful because I pinched myself a bunch of times, and honestly it was quite stressful because some of the pins weren't copyright and they'd make me struggle a lot. But I love wearing this bag because I get to make new friends who like anime like me. They call me out and say I like your bag and stuff like that, and you get to know people, which is pretty nice because I don't have that many friends who are interested in anime, and getting to know people who are like new people is pretty nice. But anyway, many of the small size pins I got from Hot Topic. Of course, they were like $2 each. Sometimes when I went and bought more stuff, it was like 50% off and it was cheaper. But yeah, the other ones, some of them I got out of eBay and Amazon, and the other ones I got from Etsy, which is a great place to find stuff like that, and was much more cheaper than the ones I got from Hot Topic, and they were bigger. So once I had all my pins, I decided to just put my bag together. And since I didn't have like an actual one exact character, I just decided to put a bunch of different characters from different animes, from Dragon Ball Z to Hunter x Hunter, Sailor Moon, Attack on Titan, Yuri on Ice, One Punch Man, you know the drill, and also just one of BTS because I love K-pop. Most of the keychains I got them in California, and little stores called My Little Tokyo or something like that. I can't remember very well. But yeah, they were from $5 to $15. Yeah, this lifestyle isn't cheap at all. Even if at the end my hands were all sore and my fingers were bleeding, it was all worth it. Well, that's all for today. Let me know if you liked it and you'll be making one of your own, whether it's just one character or multiple ones like mine. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some kind of inspiration and make your own. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.